Hi everyone, it's Christine, and today I'm going to be sharing my clean beauty picks from Sephora. First thing that I want to talk about is this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It is a multitasking clarifying spray. I like to use it at night right before I use any of my serums. The next thing I want to talk to you about is this Cora Organics Noni Bright Vitamin C Serum. This serum just sinks into the skin and gives me such a burst of radiance, and I wake up in the morning with the most glowing, bright skin. That brings us to the next thing I want to talk to you about, and this is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. This is a lightweight gel cream moisturizer. Your skin will love this because it will just soak it up like a sponge. And this is the Herbivore Bakuchiyo Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. It is a plant-based retinol alternative serum. My skin just feels very, very smooth and soft. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.